Here stands a man at the bottom of a hole he's made, still sweating from the rush, his body tense, his hands they shake. Oh, this is a mad boy. Here stands a man with a bullet in his clenched right hand. Don't push him, son, for he's got the power to crush this land. Oh, hear him cry, boy. My war is over. Be my shelter from the storm. My